Today is Ram Navami, so happy Ram Navami to all. First thing, so let's start with Astha.
Yes,
Please
good
unmute.
evening, sir.
So, do you know why Ram Navami is celebrated? Do you celebrate? Do you know anything about it?
Sir, I don't celebrate, but uh, it's like after 9 days of uh, after Ashtami, it comes Ram Navami.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know much about it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you know anything about
Yeah,
Lord Ram?
yeah.
What do you know about him?
He,
Introduce
Lord
Lord
Ram.
Ram
He
in 10 lines.
okay. So he is known as Maryada Purushottam Ram in Hindi. Like he is the best son, best husband, best friend, best brother, and best of all kinds. Like he is the best person or human in all. And his wife is Sita, and he is so concerned for everybody. He speaks the truth all the time, and yeah, he's a good person.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What was the very first hurdle in his life?
In his life,
Yeah, Ram's life. What was the very first big thing that happened to according to you?
maybe when Sita, what, sir?
No, so I'm saying, according to you, what was the very first problem or hurdle or a big event that happened in?
Sir, according to me, the first hurdle was when Sita was in danger.
Okay.
When Sita was kidnapped by Ravan.
Mm-hmm.
That was the first hurdle. According to me, I'm not sure, but maybe.
Sure,
That
sure.
when Sita
And
was in
why
Ravan's control.
was
Yeah.
she kidnapped? Why was she kidnapped?
Why was she kidnapped?
Yes. Why
Because
someone kidnapped
Ravan was.
Ram's wife? Like, what was the problem?
Sir, Ravan kidnapped Sita because
You don't know? If you don't know, it's okay.
he wanted something.
You don't know. Okay. Let's
I'm
go.
not memorizing.
Okay, okay. You don't remember. Go back a bit. Where was she kidnapped? Which area? Or, I mean, any city or any area? Or what kind of place was she kidnapped from? Do you know anything about it? Was she kidnapped from her palace?
Her own place where they were with there was Ram, Lakshman and Sita, and Ram and
Palace.
Lakshman went out.
No, that
A
was the
house
palace
kind
or
of
somewhere else outside picnic
a
area.
house. That was kind of a house when Ram put Lakshman Rekha over there
And where was
so
this
that
house?
nobody could enter and
Yeah, yeah. Where
hurt
was this
her.
house?
Yeah. Where was this
Yeah,
house?
where was
I'm
this
not.
house? Was it in next to their palace or nearby their palace? I mean, they went to this house as a farmhouse picnic, and Sita was
Sir, it was
abducted
kind
from
of
there.
jungle. In
Jungle.
jungle there was
Okay.
a house.
So
Yeah.
he went to jungle. I mean, they all three of them went to jungle. Why
And
did they
there
go
was
to
a
jungle?
house they were living in. They three were there, and Ram and Lakshman went out for something. And Ram didn't wanted to leave Sita alone. Actually, it was only Ram who left, and Lakshman was in the house with Sita. And Ram had already told Lakshman not to leave Sita alone in the house because she might be in danger. Because he knew that Ravan would come and kidnap her. So Lakshman also knew, but Lakshman wanted to be there because he had an intuition that my brother is feeling something that he wants me there with him. So he just went out and put Lakshman Rekha all around the house so that Sita should be secured and he should also help his brother Ram. So he went, but Ravan came in another room and
Mm-hmm. Another disguise. Mm-hmm.
yeah, another disguise.
And what happened? He kidnapped.
He he came in another disguise of like sadhu.
Huh?
So
A saint.
he wanted,
Mhm.
yeah. So he asked Sita to give him some food, and Sita offered him food and water. And when she offered him, Lakshman Ravan had her.
Mhm.
And then he changed his disguise. He came into his original who he
Picture.
was. He came into original Ravan, and then he kidnapped her.
What is the moral of this small story that you narrated?
With with story, sir,
This
basically.
story that when Sita crossed Lakshman Rekha, she got kidnapped. What is the moral of this story?
Moral of this story.
Did you learn anything from this story? Do you can you think of
Yeah,
any learning?
that
What is the learning?
our loved ones care for us, and yeah, they
Mm-hmm.
know what is good for us and what's not. And Lakshman cared for
Mm-hmm.
her, and he didn't wanted her to cross that Lakshman Rekha, but she because she was getting emotional by seeing that sadhu wanting something to eat, she just crossed the line. She just forget that it was for her own benefit. So
Mm-hmm.
the thing is, if we are told something by our loved ones not to do it or do it that thing or don't do this thing, this is what we should consider in our head.
Okay. So do you think people take this kind of lesson very seriously when their loved ones, let's say parents or friends,
When
mostly
they,
parents because friends come much later in life usually. Parents will usually ask their children not to do this, that, blah, blah, blah.
yeah,
Do you think children want to listen?
children are always opposite. If they are said not to do a thing, they will obviously do the thing.
So do you
But
think
I was,
it should be
sir,
a
I was kind of different. If I was told not to do a thing, I would believe them. I wanted to do the thing as every child wants to, but I didn't do it because in my heart I felt like it's bad for me, so I should not do it. So I also didn't do that thing.
okay, okay, sure, sure.
So yeah, it
Okay,
depends from
let's
child to child.
yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah,
But do think
if
about
they
this. There is
know, yeah,
lot of rebellion kids, and whatever they are asked not to do, they want to do. So sometimes the solution
yeah,
can be that ask them not to do something which you want them to do. Play
yeah.
the
That's
psychology
also a
trick,
solution.
but that is
Yeah,
also very dangerous at times. But do think about this
yeah. Because
as
sometimes
a
they take the thing seriously and they don't do it, and the
yeah,
opposite happens.
yes, yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, sure. Okay. Next, Divyal.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Yes. So, what do you think was the very first hurdle in Ram's life?
When he was sent in the forest for about 14 years.
About 14 years or exact 14 years?
No, exact 14 years by
Exact
his
14
own
years.
mother,
By his own mother or
my
father?
stepmother.
Wow.
On
So, what was
telling
the
his
story? Do you
mother.
know what exactly happened? Why he went for this 14-year exile?
Yes.
Whatever you know, please.
Yes, sir. I know a bit, not exactly, but yes, I know. So basically, Ram was about to sit on the throne of that kingdom, and his one he had three mothers, and one of his mother won't. She was not willing to. What to say? She was not willing to let Ram sit on the throne. He was about to tell that my son should sit on the throne, and then she told uh, the king that um, don't don't allow him to sit there. Send him to the forest for 14 years, and make my son the king of the kingdom. And then the king was not able to do anything, and then he sent Ram to the
So, why
forest
was he not able to do anything? Someone tells
because
three wives. One wife says, please send one child to jungle. Other wives son to jungle, and the king is saying yes. You mean? I mean, like without any
No,
no or
first
negotiation.
he did, how can I do this to him? He's my own child. So, but his wife did that. I mean, blackmailing or something.
Blackmailing.
That
Okay.
if you don't do it, I will leave the house or something.
Okay. 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 And then let's say wife tells husband, please send your elder child to exile for 14 years.
Yes.
Then father tells his eldest son that son, please go 14 years in the forest
Yes.
because your other mother doesn't want you to be on the throne. And the
Yes.
son goes to exile without any negotiation or without any questioning. Is that
Yes.
what happened according to you?
No, he went there without any argument, cause he
He didn't
was
argue, right?
obeying the. Yes, he didn't argue,
Why he
cause he
didn't
was
argue?
obeying. He was obeying his parents' order.
Okay, without any argument. Do you think it's
Yes.
very realistic that someone's parent asks them to go to jungle for 14 years and the children
No.
won't even ask why?
No. Nowadays, it is not that
But in old days, it used to happen.
kind of.
So nowadays, what will happen? Like this fast forward Ramayana
They
to
will ask, why
present
should
day.
I go there?
Yes,
What's the
let's say if you are asked
purpose?
to do something, 14 years exile, what will you do?
I'll ask the reason for what I should go there.
And if you're
I
given
will
the
ask the
reason,
reason.
then you will go or you will not go.
It depends. If the reason is for my own benefit, I will surely go there. But if the reason is not satisfying for me, I'll not.
So you will not go, or you will maybe negotiate that maybe 14 years is too much. Can we reduce it to 1 year or 2 year, 3 year,
Yes.
maybe?
Yes,
Do you
kind
want to
of.
negotiate or you want to say directly, like, no, I can't do, sorry?
No, I'll not say no directly. I will make some negotiation.
What
Obviously.
kind of number you will be comfortable? How many years of exile you can bear?
Exile.
Or let's say, put it
About
in a different
1
way.
year
How many years
or
of
1
picnic
month.
rather?
1 year or a month
1 year
maybe.
or 1 month?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, sure. Okay, let's. Okay, thank you, Devel. Next, Khushi. Oh, Khushi. Yeah, Khushi is
Yes,
here.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so Devel had some missing parts in her story. Do you know? I mean, do you want to re-narrate that story again with correctness? Do you
Okay.
know that story? Why
Okay.
Ram went for 14 years exile?
Okay, sir. Sir, so basically his stepmom, Kekai, asked his father uh, that Ram should go Vanvas for 14 years as once upon a time, like Raja, matlab, Ram's father just give me a promise to Kekai that मैं तुम्हारी एक बात मान लूंगा. So for that, in that, Kekai Kekai asked him that send Ram to the 14 years of Vanvas and just make king of the Ayodhya to Bharat. So for that sake, Ram father sent Ram to 14 years of Vanvas.
Mm-hmm. And why did Ram go?
Sir, Ram go just to respect his father decision.
Okay.
And
so he was
not
respecting
letting
his
him
father,
down.
so he didn't argue and
Yes,
sort
sir.
of said yes. Then he was accompanied by more people. Who were they?
Yes, sir. Lakshman and his wife Sita.
And why did they go?
So basically, like Lakshman and Sita go just to support him.
Mm-hmm. Who was the
Like
first person?
yeah.
Or, I mean, did they have both have same reasons to go or different reasons to go with Ram?
So basically, I didn't know, but yeah, uh, they both have same reasons.
Okay, so they both went to support. So
Yes, sir.
Lakshman's wife didn't go, right?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, Lakshman is go just to support his brother,
Mhm.
but I didn't know like why Lakshman wife is not, malab, were not
Go.
went
Didn't
to.
go.
Yes, sir.
And why do you think only Lakshman raised his hand? He has other brothers also, right? Do you know the brother's name? Which other
Yes, sir.
brothers Ram had?
Yes, sir.
What were their
He has
names?
four brother. Four.
He
They
has
are
four
four
brothers.
brother. Ram. Yes, sir. No, sir. Five.
He has five brothers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please name them.
Including Ram. So Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughan, and fifth one I don't know.
Okay. So why did only Lakshman agreed? Why other brothers were like staying mum and didn't say anything?
So I
Do
did.
you know this
matlab
answer or don't know? So when you
No,
don't
sir.
know, the best thing is to say I don't know or I'm not very sure. That that ends the conversation instead of dragging the conversation. Okay.
Uh,
So you don't know.
yes, sir.
Okay, so you know that Ram went, his wife Sita went,
And
Lakshman went.
and his brother Lakshman and his wife Sita.
Yes,
Basically, three people went.
three people went. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and when these three people, after this three people went, like the same question what I asked Divyal, do you think Ram should have negotiated that 14-year exile period, or you think it was
Sir,
good for him, or it was okay for him to accept? Yes, kind of.
okay, sir. So, sir, if Ram would see at the matlab, if Ram would see point of view, matlab, point of himself, so he would never go. Like he will, in future he will become the king of the Ayodhya, and now he is went to the Vanvas for 14 years and just live basic life. So yeah, if but Ram should also respect his father decision, his promise. So at that time the respect is like a more priority than than being selfishness.
Okay, sure. Okay, thank you. Next, moving to Ayush. So, Ayush, do you know were there bits and pieces missing in old stories narrated by Divyal and Khushi? Do you know any? Do you want to add any detail to it?
Sir, I kind of person I don't much have knowledge about this. Only I know that why Ram Navami is celebrated because on the birth of Lord Ram it is celebrated. So I know
Mhm.
I'm a
You're
weak in this
okay.
kind of
So,
myth.
but do you know
Yes,
that 14-year exile was
yes, sir.
there,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
So, do you
Yes,
think?
yes.
Do you think Ram should have negotiated? And if you were Ram in his shoes, would you negotiate?
Sir, I guess he did the right thing, or I would be also doing that thing, like going for a 14-year, because if his parents are saying that, they might be like thinking the correct way. But yeah, I would have asked a reason, like what was the reason, or why it is like a number of 14 years without, can it be like also in a less time, can it the work be happened? If it yes, then we can like make it happen, or if it's not, then I'll make sure that what are they saying will be
You will try
correct
to
only.
negotiate at
Yeah,
least.
I will try to I will try to answer question that what is the reason of that 14 years.
Okay, sure.
Yes, sir.
And let's say, he took his brother and his wife together.
Mhm,
Do you think,
mhm.
from, let's say, your point of view, it was the right thing to do? That, if I am given this order, I should take, two more people with me.
I guess, sir, his brother was a good option, but his wife was, I guess, he should drop that plan of taking his wife along with her.
Yeah, or
along with
if he
him.
took his wife, his brother's
Yeah.
wife should also have gone, right? like a joint family, would have been better.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
think
sir.
that
If her
would
brother
have been
wife,
better?
yeah, yes, sir. Because Ram wife would have get a good company along with her. Like she would not face any issue in like managing the things there. If another woman would also be there, but there was option that two of the men should have gone there. Like if because they are going on a jungle and also it's like better to a men should be going there. But yeah, if the whole thing 4 people would be there, it would be much better.
Okay. Okay, sure. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Moving to Bhavika.
Yes.
So do you want to add to the bits and pieces of missing story?
Yes, a little bit. I just want to clear the fact that Kekai sent Ram on a 14-year-old exile because she was insecure, and her insecurity was fueled by her lady in waiting, Manthara. Because I guess Manthara had something wrong done with her, which she blamed Ram for. I don't understand. I don't actually remember the whole story behind that thing, but I just remember this little gist. And I mean, somebody said that Ram should not have brought his wife and brother along. I suppose it's not right, like Sita, because you have to treat them as your equal. You have to take an equal step forward, right? So Sita was justified in this manner, and Lakshman, because somebody I remember said that Ram should not have brought Lakshman and stuff, something like that. But Ram brought Lakshman because he did not want to interfere with his Bhrata Dharma, let's say, I guess it's called. Um, and question of Lakshman not bringing his wife along, it's again justified because somebody had to be there to take care of their parents, Ram and Lakshman's parents. And about not bringing Shatrughan along was because their mother, Lakshman and Shatrughan's mother, had asked them very early in their childhood to accompany one of their brothers, to be loyal to one of their brothers. That's how the story goes. So I think it's all very justified how the story moves forward.
Mhm. Okay, so
There's
let me
this
just add a
note.
bit. You are saying it was basically each of the younger brother, Lakshman and Shatrughan, were tied or tagged with an elder brother, Bharat and Ram, and that tagging worked pretty much till the exile period also, when Bharat stayed and Shatrughan also stayed with him. But when Ram went, Lakshman also
And
went together
I
because they
support
were
this
tagged.
I support this tagging thing because I, as a sibling and a cousin, feel that it's really important for you to have very good relationships with at least one of your brothers or sisters. And to some people, it might sound a little bit biased, but to be honest, it's actually not. It's good to have somebody who can look after you, whom you can share every last bit of feelings inside you. For me, it's not actually my brother. When we were younger, it used to be my brother because we were only ones for each other. We did not really have friends when we were kids. But now that we know people, my uncle, my mama, has become one for me because he's just a few years older than me, and we have a really great bond because we have great taste and same taste in music and a lot of different things. We have both great ambition. We have both have great ambitions. So I think you have to have one person near your age that you can pledge loyalty to.
Sure, sure. Okay, thank you. Next, Anshika.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, do you want to add anything to all the things discussed? Right, wrong, according to you, or modify?
Yes, sir. Sir, as Bhavika said that Lakshman went with Ram because Bharat and Shatrughan are tied with some opinion of their mother. So I guess it's not the reason. The reason is Lakshman loves Ram so much. So at that time, Lakshman is only there to support Ram. So that's why only Lakshman went with Ram.
May I clear myself a little bit here?
Yes, yes, please.
Anshika, yes. I guess I said the same thing, but I could not get my point to you. I'm sorry. I said that the two brothers, the four brothers were divided into two sets. Let's say divided, but it's not the right term to use here. They were they were paired in twos, right? So you basically exactly said what I said. And Lakshman being there for Ram, it's a little difficult and a little more complicated than that, because Bharat himself did not want to be the king. He wanted Ram to be the king. He completely opposed this idea of him being the king, and he and Shatrughan wanted to accompany Ram and Lakshman to the forest as well. But again, they had to take care of their sick father and three mothers, and they had to look after the whole kingdom. And back then, the kingdom of Ayodhya was huge. So I guess that is a reason justified enough.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, Anshika, please.
Okay, it's fine, Srishti. In the beginning only, I said I guess. I am not sure about it. But
Imposing anything on you. I'm sorry if I sounded offended or sorry. That is not what
no, it's all fine.
Yeah,
Yeah. Sure. So Anshika, let me ask you a bit different question now. Why was Sita kidnapped? Do you know why was she kidnapped by Ravan? What was the motivation?
Sir, I guess like Ram's sister Supnakha, Ram cut her nose so to take revenge.
Ram's sister.
नहीं,
Supnakha.
Ravan's
Ravan's
sister
sister Supnakha.
Ram cut her nose so to take revenge. Ravan kidnapped Sita.
Okay. And okay, by the way, it was not Ram who cut the nose, it was Lakshman. And why would somebody cut nose of someone? I mean, is it good for a man to cut nose of a woman for whatever reason?
No, sir, it's not good. But no, sir, if there is any reason to cut the nose, this is not the way.
So you don't know the reason why the nose was cut, right?
No, sir. No.
Okay,
Yes,
okay. Okay, sure. Moving to Srishti, do you know the pieces missing here?
First of all, about Lakshman's wife not going, I would like to add that Lakshman's wife was willing to go, but Lakshman was reluctant on that idea. So he did not let her go with him. And I think that there was no hurdle, because after we see from Rama's point of view, he was a Maryada Purushottam Ram. He was Maryada Purushottam Ram. And he always had a smile on his face. He embraced the decision of his father without any opposition, basically. So he didn't took that thing as a hurdle, and he was the king. He was the king who lived with his people. This was the term my grandma uses, and that's why I have this idea very clear in my mind that he was the king who lived with his people and helped them. So if we judge from his point of view, there were no hurdles.
And regarding the kidnapping?
Yeah, regarding the kidnapping, it was because Ravana's sister Supnakha proposed Ram, and she was kind of jealous of Sita, and that was the reason Lakshman cut her nose, because she was planning some ill brewing against them.
And then she went home and complained that my nose was cut, and Ravan became angry, and he said, "I'll take revenge."
For the purpose of taking revenge.
Okay. So do you think it was justified like this, that somebody's cut?
I want to add one more point, that Ravan was smitten by Sita's beauty as well.
Ravan was what? Attracted by Sita.
He was impressed. Yeah, he was impressed.
And he went, anyway, it's a bit different story now in the Ramayana chain. He did went for the Swayamvar of Sita long back, I mean, few years back, let's say, when they were doing the Swayamvar of Sita. So he would know Sita from that time only.
Oh.
Yeah, anyway. Okay, so so my last question to Srishti, was this justified that, you know, one person cutting nose of
No,
somebody's
I don't think
sister,
it's justified.
and then that
because-
brother is kidnapping his sister-in-law,
No,
and
I
you know,
don't
to
think
take
it's
revenge.
justified. No, violence is never justified.
Hmm. Okay, so whose fault was this in this whole game? Was it
Yeah,
Superneka's fault,
Superneka's-
Ravan's fault,
Superneka's
or
fault
Lakshman's
was
fault?
there. Superneka's fault was there, but as Lakshman did the same violence, I would say this thing is justified. It's subjective. It's subjective.
I mean, by justification, I mean, you know, it's like taking revenge of one person
Revenge is never justified.
through
It's
his
just a game. It's just a
loved ones.
biased game. Revenge
Sure,
is
sure.
never justified. I feel revenge is never justified.
Okay, okay. So I guess today you guys have also realized that there are lots of Ramayana bits and pieces that is not very clear to you, or you might have missed here and there. So I will suggest do a bit of a reading on Ramayana, at least the the gist, because it has been the oldest sort of, I mean, the most famous, rather, not the oldest, at least most famous book written, followed by a lot of people. So there are a lot of learnings in this which can be inculcated in our life. And one thing is there, because of Ram Navami, also I'm saying Ram is worshipped because of all the hardships he went through, which a common person cannot go through or cannot even think of, even like 1% of that. That is the reason why why most of us celebrate and worship Ram, because that very personality is very, very difficult to achieve. And people can obviously dream of achieving, that trajectory towards that trajectory, but it's not so simple to, reach even 1% of that. So with that, we'll end our session today. So Samarpita will be in touch with you regarding tomorrow's
Thank you so
session.
much.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Good night.